allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal maniac.
From All Star Motors. Kind of fell off for a little bit, just been busy with life and work. Anyways, I am back. This is just a small channel update and a little bit of the Chicago Auto Show. I meant to record more when I was there, but I kind of got caught up running around chasing kids around, forget to record. So, it is what it is. But anyways, channel update. I have some vinyl wrap, so we're going to be doing a video on wrapping my roof, which is pretty fun. Maybe my spoiler as well if I have enough there. I also have some vinyl, some clear vinyl I'm going to put actually on the sides of my car. I'm going to try to get a clip in there. When they did the ceramic coat and everything, they cleaned it up, it looks good. I thought the ceramic coat would kind of prevent things like this, to where you kind of get this film of dirt kind of built up, like a stain almost. You see along the fender line here. Yeah, it's nitpicky, but I want my car to stay white. That, and then also these little rust or iron deposits that you see throughout the car I'm trying to show here. I also was hoping that the ceramic coat would prevent things like this from happening. So I'm now going to do a DIY to remove them, which is most likely going to take off the ceramic coat that's left on there. So maybe over the summer I plan on ceramic coating the car myself. So that's going to be fun. So I have that lined up. From there, I'm going to do brakes on the car all around. The rotors are fine. It's just the brake pads need to be swapped out. Getting close to the due mark, and I want to swap them for their officially due, just because I'm too cheap to buy another sensor for the brake sensor. That and just preventative maintenance, I guess. I just did an oil change, so I'm thinking about doing an oil change video as well. I didn't record this last one. I didn't record any of them really, but something you guys may want to see. It is a little different from other cars. I have a review coming out next, if I don't have it come out before this, on the Stage 2 tune and how it's been treating me, because as recording this video, I'm at like 54,000 miles and plus. So, we'll find out how that's been treating my car, how the Stage 2 tune's been treating my car, for the past 10,000 plus miles. Because if you remember, I put it on around 40,000 miles. So with that said, next thing, as this motherfucker slams on his brakes, oh, motherfuckers. Anyways, I have a new intercooler coming in. Nothing wrong with my current one, but again, to get the most gains from my Stage 2 tune, upgrade your intercooler. That, and with the heat, I don't want heat soak. So that, charge pipe as well, because they come together pretty much. I also have a surprise possibly rolling in April. It's supposed to be here in February, but who knows, we'll see when it shows up. But besides that, I think that's really it. If I think of anything else, I'll pop it into the video. You guys won't know the difference. As always, my name is Rick. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Enjoy the Chicago Auto Show montage.
If you get it, if you really want it, you do what you've got to do, make it come to life. If you need it, then believe and be it. You do what you've got to do, make it come to life. Let it into your heart. Always follow who you are. Come to life. Come to life. Come to life. Come to life.